right there where that dually is. Where that dually is, right?
The destination is on your left.
Harbor Freight Special. It's gonna work.
Same. A couple reviews said people imploded expeditions.
Tight fit, that's for sure. Tight. Fender to fender. Yeah, it looks pretty crazy. We don't have that bed strap down. That looks good. I like how low it sits. You're good. It's off. Yep. Alrighty guys, so we just unloaded that 70 or 71 Dodge long bed. Anyways, we're about to go look at a 65. This truck has a title, so we're possibly gonna build another builder truck, but it'll be on this Crown Vic chassis. Anyways, we're gonna give you a rundown when we get back and show you both these trucks at once. If we buy it, if not, we'll just show you the one we just got. Anyways guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And we're about to have a huge collection of Sweptlines. We got the crew cab, short bed, the other blue D100 Adventure we got, the red one, I mean. Definitely not hearing any sticks. Alright guys, well I'll tell you what, that truck we just looked at, that 65, it was an absolute peach. It was a turd basically. Anyways guys, here's the picture of it right here. We didn't buy this truck. It was cheap. It did have a title, did have a motor. Most of it was there. But yeah, it was just too rough for us to make a move on it, that's for sure. But we did get this fine right here. We're gonna give you a little rundown of what we got. This beast here is basically for parts. It is for parts. So if you guys see any parts, like usual, just let us know. Alright, so this here is a 1970 is what we believe. And as you can see, this truck's sitting really low. You might ask why. It's because this has a Crown Vic frame under it. This is pretty common thing, I guess, for people to do for these old cars and trucks. So this has disc brakes, independent suspension, and it's got this Sweptline sitting really low, which I really like. Came with those nice aluminum wheels there. Does have a decent Dodge badge there. That will be for sale, not in the best shape, but we do have one. It's got some decent door handles. Those could be yours. Interior, not much there. Cracked dash pad, pretty normal. Beautiful looking steering wheel, awesome color on that. Fender's pinching that, so we can't open it. No headliner. As I said, it has one visor. Decent glove box with the chrome there. Bed, marker lights. Might have Couple good taillights. That taillight looks decent. Yeah guys, basically got this truck for parts and basically for the chassis. This Crown Vic chassis was worth what we paid for the truck, so that's basically why I got it. And just to part it out, as you can see, not much going on there. It's got a decent grill there. This grill will be for sale. Not too bad a shape. It's got a decent ding right there in the middle that's pretty fresh. As you can tell, the plastic right here on the left is cracked. But other than that, that'll probably clean up decent, and someone that's decent with aluminum could straighten that out. Anyways, that will be for sale if that's something you're interested in. That is good for a 70 or 71 Sweptline D100 or D200. It does have some decent hood hinges if you'd be interested in those. The windshield has a little chip there. I guess it's got a couple of chips, so that's considered junk to us. But that's what we got, guys. Never thought that Dad would bring another one of these home, but here it is. And we did look at that one today. Like I said, this thing was junk. It wasn't worth anything, but it had a title. That's the only thing good about it. But what we can expect here in the future is possibly a build with this chassis. Not really for sure right now. It's just something nice to have around the house. But yeah, the parts are gonna be sold. Whatever doesn't get sold is gonna go to scrap. Same with this here truck and the other blue Dodge that we got in recent videos. So if you guys need anything, give us a holler. We try and communicate back to you guys as fast as possible. It's tough with all the comments because, I mean, obviously a lot of these parts are hard to find. We're finding tons of them. So give us a holler and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And we're going to continue to haul some Sweptlines home possibly, and for sure going to keep going on this short bed and crew cab eventually. Thanks for watching, guys.